Hello students, this is Professor Sangurima-Quiles and welcome to the 2018 Spanish for Health Professions Spanish 110. This is where you will be working most of the time, which is in Blackboard along with the textbook or the ebook and its particular website with other assignments there. Anyway, whenever I place an announcement, they're right here, for example, right? The welcoming, how to navigate through Blackboard, and then the first things that you need to do with due dates, right? So again, anytime I put an announcement here, it will be emailed to each and individual student. Next tab is the important information. All right, so the syllabus, you can download it. I will be placing this little video of this tour about late assignments, the textbook or the ebook, whichever one. So you will click in there and it brings you to the information that you need. Once you definitely purchase the textbook, you need to buy the or the ebook. The component is with My Spanish Lab. This particular code right here is the code that you would need in My Spanish Lab, where our course is going to be and where the bulk of the work will be, the per chapter, depending on the section, so on and so forth. All right, let me go back up here to important information again. All right, there's also about how to create Spanish accents, whether you have a Mac, a PC, a tablet, so on and so forth. There are different types of videos and some of the rubrics that I will be using to grade you. Information on me. Here I am. Okay, my email, you can definitely click there and it sends you you'll be able to send me an email, and my telephone number. By all means, please use it, and a little bit of info on me. Okay, assignments. This is where you're always going to find out, well, what do I need to do? I have broken it down by chapters. We will be completing 5 chapters, and then there will be a review and a final. And the due dates are there. If you need to see exactly what do I need to do, you would click in here. So example, this is where you would start for the next 3 days, the beginning of everything. And again, I'm telling you exactly what you need to do about the textbook, although I showed you before through important information, or I have established links right here, and the voice thread that, again, I'm going to show you in about a minute. Okay, then go back again to the assignments. Let me go over to Chapter 1. Chapter 1 officially starts on February 2nd through February 21st. Now please be careful. Every chapter will be broken into 3 sections. Therefore, there will be 3 different due dates. So let me click on Chapter 1. And here you go. So by February 5th, these are the things that you need to do. All right, and this is here all the information, whether it's in My Spanish Lab or in Blackboard. And then if it's in Blackboard, I've already established the links for you to go do the discussion. Then section 2 of chapter 1, these are the pages. All right, and this is what you need to do in My Spanish Lab with the due date. All right, so on and so forth. All righty, let me go over to the discussion board. This is the discussion board that either I've placed a link through the assignment board or the assignment tab, but these are the discussions. Should you have a question in general and maybe another classmate might be able to help you, by all means put it right here. But if it's more of a personal question, please email me or please call me. I am available. Leave a voice message. I will return the call. All right, so this is the first one. Let's say that you have to do this, and before 11:59 on February 5th, you go here and you will click on create a thread. All right, you will here read all the instructions again that you saw before. It gives you step by step, and you would label it Susan's intro, however you wish to do, and you would write in here. Please make sure that you hit submit once you are done. Do not do save draft because I will never see it. It's only in your screen and nobody else's. What I always suggest, in case you have a problem with the message box right here where you would write, make sure that you write it like on a Word document. You make your corrections in case there's any grammatical error, and then you can copy and paste it onto here and therefore kind of save it. So should something happen, you always have a backup for you. All right, there we go. Let me click out of here. Let me go over to the voice thread. Okay, again, we will be having a few voice threads. I have here information about the voice thread. You don't have to create it. Everything is done for you. How I grade you for them. And here's the first voice thread with the due dates, so on and so forth. You read the instructions, the information, which will also be inside the voice thread. You would click in here. Once you click in here, it's going to take you to another application that it's already prepared, and you do not create your own voice thread. I have created voice threads for the entire class already, so everything is there. Mini grammar lessons. These are pretty much my notes about the grammar that you're learning per chapter. So as you're reading in the book and you're still not too sure, then you can definitely look at these mini lessons. Or you still need additional help, then please by all means call me and we can have some tutoring time between the two of us. Alrighty, helpful websites. Alright, there's a whole bunch of things that I believe will be helpful to you, and everything is here for you. If you need a word to be translated from English to Spanish, by all means, word reference. This is a very good website. It's very academically correct and explains everything for you. Alrighty, my grades. This is where your grades will be placed. Alright, it has the due dates, it has any rubrics, and it would be, in most of the assignments are always out of 100, and you would see your scores here. All right, and let me go back to the announcements. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, welcome, bienvenidos. I'm looking forward to learning from you, to sharing with you, and to just having some fun with you. Alrighty, bye-bye.